Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds Marshall Motif II. You have to start by go to the settings and Bluetooth and check is your Bluetooth is turned on. If it's not, just click on your earbuds at the device list and we have connection. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset, so put your earbuds to the charging case and after that close the case. Now your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone, so then open it and it will reconnect. Also, sometimes you don't want to reconnect automatically, so I recommend it to click on your earbuds at the device list. And we have connection. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add this earbud, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, click pair new device in your Android and after that press and hold at this connectional button until this LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go, and we just enter to pairing mode, so tap on your earbuds at the device list and again we have connection. If all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and after that press and hold this connectional button until this LED light turns into purple. Here we go, we have a purple. Now you can release your finger and firstly we need to remove this earbud. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android and click on your earbuds at the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!